Hey everyone, in this video we will speak about the motivation of Softmax function. This is the one of the most commonly used functions in machine learning. It is used in classification, next token prediction, attention mechanisms, and some part of reinforcement learning as well.
Imagine we have created a classification model and the neural network's last layer spits out these raw numbers. Here, the bigger the number, the more confident the model is. And the smaller the number, the less confident the model is. But these numbers are not probabilities. For them to be probabilities, these numbers should add up to 1, which they don't. Also, all of them should be positive or at least 0, because the probability cannot be negative. It is not possible to look at these numbers and say the first one has 70% of chances of being true. So the question is, how do we turn these scores into a clean probability distribution? This is the motivation of Softmax. Softmax does 3 things. It retains the order, means the bigger scores from our output will have bigger probability. Also, the differences between these scores are amplified so that the most confident class really stands out. Also, it normalizes these scores, so everything sums up to 1. Exactly like probability distribution. Here's the magic step. Softmax function uses exponentials. But why exponentials? Why not something else? Because exponentials have perfect behavior for our requirement. You take exponent of any number, positive, negative, floats. The exponents are always positive, just like probabilities. Also, they grow fast, which also helps us in magnifying the differences between them, so that we get a clear winner. Also, they preserve the order of the scores. Look at these scores and their exponents. Even though the scores are apart by just number 1, if we look at the exponents, we have got a clear winner. But one question still remains. How exactly do we turn these exponents into probabilities? We don't need to do anything fancy. We just need to divide each exponential by the total. Boom. Now all values are between 0 and 1 and they also sum up to 1. So now we can interpret them as probabilities. And this is exactly what this equation is doing. But why did we not divide by the sum of scores instead? It seems intuitive to do so, isn't it? Well, the negative values from these scores will break our probabilities. Another issue is the differences between scores will not be magnified. Using Softmax in our classification model is rewarding the confidence and it is also penalizing the uncertainty. Also, Softmax often comes with temperature. Low temperature means a very confident or peaky output and high temperature means more uncertain or more softer output. Softmax is used in classification when there are more than 2 classes or categories. They are also used in final layers before cross entropy loss, and also by large language models in choosing next token based on probability.
Hey everyone, in this video I broke down the motivation and intuition of Softmax function. My intent for this channel is to answer complex AI questions but in an intuition-first way. Please follow for more such videos.